This free After Effects plugin will change the way you animate a logo as a beginner. In just few clicks, you can create an amazing looking logo animation like a pro. So let me show you how you can use this to create wonderful logo animation. First, create a new composition. Feel free to use your own setting and then hit OK. Now import your logo into After Effects. Drag and drop your logo into your timeline. Select your logo layer, then go to Layer and select Auto Trace. Choose current frame, then set alpha, then make sure Apply to New Layer is unchecked and then hit OK. This will automatically trace your logo. Control spacebar and then search for Saber. You will find a link in the description to download this free Saber plugin from Video Copilot. On the Effect and Control panel, let's make some modification to this Saber effect. Set preset to Energy, then Color Size to 0.5, Color Type to Layer Mask. Start Size to 10. To proceed, let's toggle this mask visibility off and come to Render Setting on the Saber, then select Transparent for the composite setting. Move your time indicator to 3 seconds forward in time and then set a keyframe for the start offset and end offset. Move your time indicator back to 0 and set the end offset to 0. Then hit U on your keyboard to reveal all your keyframes. Move your time indicator forward in time to 4 seconds and then set the start offset to 100. Select all your keyframes, right click on them to easy ease. You can also hit F9 on your keyboard to do this. Offset your keyframes like this, then you go into your graph editor and edit your speed graph slightly with these curves. On the mask evolution, alt click on this stopwatch and then type in this expression time *30. Make the logo layer a 3D layer, then Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it, then hit P on your keyboard to reveal the position properties, then right click on the position and select separate dimension. This is gonna break up the parameters into X, Y and Z, then alt click on the Z value and then enter this expression. I'm gonna add a download link to this expression on the link below. You can find it on the description of this video. What this expression does is going to offset this layer in Z axis. Each time will make a duplicate by 2000 pixels. So duplicate this again 2 more times. Right click on your timeline, go to new and add a new camera, and you can select the default settings. Then right click on your timeline again, go to new and create a new null object. Make the null object a 3D layer and then make the camera a child of the null object. Move your time indicator to 4 seconds forward in time and then select the null object, which is now the camera controller. Then hit P on your keyboard to reveal the position properties. Set a keyframe at 4 seconds, then move your time indicator back to 0 and then set the value of the Z position to 4000. Select your keyframes, then easy ease them and then edit your speed graph. Offset all the duplicated logo layer by 10 frames each. Now duplicate the bottom logo layer again, then offset it a bit. Then you're gonna go into the effects and control and make some changes. Change the preset type to Firestorm. Then the core evolution expression, make time by 90. Then start size 0 and end size 120. Now we're gonna add a keyframe for the end size from 120 to 0 at the end of the animation. And if you preview this now, this is what we have. Now duplicate the logo layer again and remove all the effects. Then search for a fill effect and change the color to match your brand. Hit T on your keyboard to bring up the opacity, and then move your time indicator to about this point and set a keyframe for the opacity. Then move backward to about 3 seconds and set opacity to 0. Right click on your timeline, go to new and select solid to create a new solid layer. We're going to name this BG, and then choose any color of your choice to also match your brand. I'm going to go with this warm yellow look. Then search for CC ball action. Now increase the scatter to over 100 on CC ball action. Actually, you can play around with these settings to also match what you like. This is just to pop up the animation from the background. Play around also with the grid spacing and the ball size. Preview this again. This is what you're gonna have at the end of the animation. And that is it, guys. In just some few clicks with this free After Effects plugin, you have created an amazing visual effect logo animation reveal. So if this kind of tutorial is something you would like to see in the future, do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button so that this algorithm will show this video to more people. Then let me know what you think about this plugin and what you intend to use it to create. There are a lot of things you can create with this plugin. So if you want to see more, leave a comment. Let's continue the discussion. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.